Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the image slider section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. This is a tool where you can manage and create image sliders or flash galleries for your website. Multiple sliders can be created and they can be placed on any page. Let's get into how to create and add an image slider to any page. First, fill in the name for the image slider. Then you could add a description or not, it is optional. Then click the Add Image Slider button. As you can see, the slider will then be added to the list below. Next, click the Edit icon next to your image slider. Then use the green Browse button to add new images. Note that for the best results, it is very important to use the recommended size, which is 760 pixels by 320 pixels. Once you've selected an image, click the Choose button in the top left-hand corner. You then have the options to add links, captions, and descriptions. These are all optional. You can also publish the image slider now or choose to schedule it whenever you would like. Then click Add Image. I'm going to repeat the same steps to add additional images. I've now added 3 images to my image slider. Now I need to add my image slider to my desired page. For this example, we will add the calendar slider to the calendar page. This is managed under Menu and Pages. So I'm going to go to the Menu and Pages tab, click Menu Pages, and I'm going to go to Community because that is the page that my calendar page is under. Then I'm going to scroll down to the calendar subpage and click the yellow Edit icon. Now I need to add a new page item. So I'm going to enter a new item name, which will be Calendar Image Slider. Then I need to select the item type as an image slider. Then click the green Add Item button. Next, I need to select the yellow warning sign icon. Then I need to select the image slider for this page. So I'm going to go to the drop-down menu and click Calendar Slider. I also need to make sure that my display visibility is on, which it is. And finally, I want to turn off my item headline, so I'm going to change this setting to none. Now that I've saved all these changes, my new image slider will be on the website. So I'm going to go to the demo website, go to the Community tab, and click Calendar. And as you can see, my new calendar image slider is now on the page. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.